Are you worried about losing your job? Have you already lost your job? Is the economy scaring you? Are you looking for a way out for something new? Well, I'm here to tell you that I started my company in the financial crisis back in 2008, teaching investors how to buy real estate, how to fix and flip real estate, how to wholesale real estate, how to buy rental properties. And I'm here to tell you that this is one of the best, most recession-proof things that you could learn. Learn how to buy houses from motivated sellers that need to sell. There's always going to be motivated sellers. There's always going to be houses that have fires and floods and water damage and hurricanes. And there's always going to be someone who wants to sell the house for pennies on the dollar. So if you can learn how to find those houses, how to buy those houses, how to fix those houses, how to flip those houses, you can make a lot of money. A lot more money than you can currently make working on your job. So if you're looking to secure your future, if you're looking for something that's another way to make money that may be able to help you eventually get out of your job or quit your job and achieve financial freedom, then my suggestion is that you learn how to buy real estate and flip real estate, and how to wholesale real estate, and how to fix and flip houses. And I'm not talking about going to a realtor and saying, I want to buy a house and getting a mortgage. I'm talking about buying a $500,000 house for $250,000 with cash from a private lender like me. When you learn how to do that, then you're able to turn around and flip that house to other investors for $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 profit, or you're able to fix that house yourself and then put it on the market and sell it, or you're able to turn it into a rental or an Airbnb. The opportunities and options are endless, and the amount of money that you could make doing this is literally unlimited. All right, so this is a skill set that I want you to learn. I've got 6 different live training bootcamp events that I hold throughout the year on how to buy bank home properties, how to wholesale, how to fix and flip, how to buy rentals, how to create financial freedom. Check out my website, levinrad.com. Click on the events tab at the top right. Think about coming to one of my events. If I can teach you how to buy houses for 50 or 60 cents on the dollar, you can flip these houses, fix and flip these houses, turn them into rentals or Airbnbs, and make a lot of money. You don't want to miss the opportunity to get involved in this. Go ahead and click on that button below, and I look forward to working with you.